Hey everybody, this is Chris coming out at you at Junction City, Oregon here at Guaranty RV. It's a beautiful day and I've got a wonderful trailer to show you. If you're looking for a nice couples trailer, about 26 feet or so, this is a 2017 Cougar, 26 foot. And it's got a rear living floor plan that's fantastic, and also a nice walk around king bed. I think you're going to like it. Why don't you come on in, we'll show you around. One thing I wanted to just point out to you is this is a half-ton towable trailer, and it also does have a polar package, so it's good for all seasons, which is fantastic when you live in the Northwest. One of the things people really love about rear living models is that when you back these things up, guess what? The stream, the creek, the mountain, the lake, it's all out the back window. So look at this beautiful back window. You've got a couple nice chairs to sit in. You've got a nice sofa right here to sit. You can have friends over in a conversation area, watch a little TV and relax. You definitely have the ability to sleep some extra people because we have a pull-out sofa right there. Look at this nice sized dinette. I really like the fact that this table is not on a pull, so it's movable. So if you're kind of a big guy like me, you can still sit down. You can move this around to make it comfortable for everybody. Get everybody in here in the dinette. Really nice TV area. Everything is set up for your audio visual and all of your viewing. You've got nice little cabinets and stuff that you can put some of your DVDs and items into. Beautiful kitchen in here. Look at this. The refrigerator actually matches the cabinetry just like in an upscale home. Beautiful countertops. Nice big farmhouse sink. Look at that. Actually double sink. And you've got an oven, 3-burner gas stove, microwave, lots of storage for food. Got nice cabinetry over here. Look at all this storage, how deep it goes. And I really like the fact that you can move these shelves up and down. So if you need to get a box of cereal in there that's your favorite size, you can do that. Moving right along, I want to show you this bathroom with a nice glass surround shower. Got a nice medicine cabinet there, skylight. And then moving into the bedroom area, again we talked about that big king-size bed. And what's really great, a lot of times king-size beds, there's not much room to walk around in. There is in this trailer. You've got nice storage underneath here to put more things. Cabinetry, a place to put all your hanging things here. You've got lots of storage in here. And look, this one already has a TV in the bedroom. It's already ready to go. So, fantastic fan up above. This trailer is very nice. I think you'll really enjoy camping in this, or should I say glamping, because this is actually really nice. And for a used trailer, wow, what a great deal. 2017, you can't beat it. Let's take a look outside real quick. A couple things that I just want to draw your attention to that I think are pretty cool. You have frameless windows. Got a nice long power awning, outdoor speakers. You got an outside shower. Separate entrance into the master bedroom. And look at this wonderful pass-through. Look how big that is. It's all finished and nice. Guys, if you're looking for a trailer like this is an amazing deal. It won't be here long. I think that you should give me a call. My number is 541-636-7878. I'd love to show this one or several others that we have to you. I know we can find you the perfect trailer.